In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Windows Server 2016, and we're gonna set up Active Directory and the domain controller. First, I'm gonna open the VM and create a new Windows Server 2016 virtual machine. Click Next, and we give the memory to 8 GB. The next, and next. Okay, then we go to the settings, advanced. We change it to bidirectional. In this way, we can copy and drag and drop from both virtual machine and the host machine. Okay, then we insert the ISO file. We use the bridge mode for the network here. Click OK. Yep, that's for all the settings. Then we click Start. Okay, we're gonna install the Windows Server 2016 first. It should be pretty simple. Okay, let's get the product key first. You can search it from the internet. I haven't installed the VM software, so I can't copy and paste yet. Then I just type the product key here. Okay, next. Here we use the desktop mode. Okay, it's gonna take for a while. I'm gonna post the video. Yep, okay. It's finished, and give the password for the administrator account. Okay, all good. Finished. Okay, let's log in. Okay, we just wait for a while until the server manager start up. First, we are gonna go to the local server. There are a couple of settings we need to change. First one is the computer name. We're gonna call it WinServer 2016. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna restart later. I will also enable the remote desktop, so later I don't have to, to log in directly. I can remote control. Here the Ethernet, I will change it to my current network settings. First, disable the IPv6. Then I'm gonna give the static IP of my. I'm gonna give one of the static IP of my current network. Let's check our current network first. Okay. Yeah. I will give the 192.168.1.254. The gateway is the .1.1. DNS is .1.1 as well. Click OK. OK. Okay, you can see it's been changed already. Yep, I'm gonna change the screen resolution so it will be looking bigger. Then we change the time zone here so the server time will be showing correctly. Yep, the refresh, you can see Brisbane is my current location. Okay, so we just need to restart the server first to apply all the changes. Yep, I'll post the video here as well. Okay. Yeah, in dashboard, click add a row. And just next. Okay, so that's the one we have. And we tick the Active Directory domain. Then next. And the next. Yeah, then click install. Okay, we are just installing this service. Yep, it's finished. So you can promote this server to a domain controller here. But if you accidentally close it, you can also find it from the noticed flag. Okay, we choose to add a new forest, and the domain name can be your own domain name. I just use my own one and put the .local here and click next. Okay, set up a password. I'm not going to change anything here, just leave it as default. next, and the next. Yep, wait for a second. System will detect the NetBIOS domain name for you. Okay, cool. Next. Okay, next. Okay, that's the summary. Okay, next. So it's just a prerequisites check. Just see everything is fine. Yep. Although there are a couple of warning, but it doesn't matter. Just install. So after the installation, you will be asked to restart the server as well. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's being changed to the domain login for the administrator account. Okay. Since we installed this service already, we can click Tools, Active Directory, Users. We're gonna add 2 users and and 1 unit of organization. Okay. Click the server and new. Okay, just put your domain here. Click OK. On the right click, click new organization, put users, then right click new users, new user. So this one we just call it join JOAN. We'll call it JOAN, and the last name is my last name Wang. Okay, the username just join.wang. The next. Okay. Created the password. We just change the password setting to the password that never expires. It's much easier, but for the live environment, we don't have to do that. Then create another user. Call it Tina Wang. Give a password. Change it to password that never expires. Okay, that's much easier for this demonstration. Okay. So after we set up the server and the domain controller here, and I'm gonna create a new VirtualBox Windows 10 Pro. This is like a client side, so we can join to the domain we just created. Okay, it's just another virtual machine. Okay. By the way, you can download all these Windows ISO file from the internet. If you are interested where to get them quickly, you can leave in the comment, and I'll tell you where you can download them. Okay, so it's finished, and we check the network first. Okay, this one is .1.21. Okay, let's try to connect to the domain. Okay, connect. Here I will demonstrate an unsuccessful example first. So, okay, we put our domain name here, click next. Then we put the username and the passwords we created previously. Click OK. Yep, in this way it's not gonna work. We have to change the DNS from the client side first. So how it works is like in the same network, if you set up a Windows server as a domain controller, your client side once it joined to the domain, it's not gonna use the router DNS as the service. So you have to point the DNS to the Windows server. So we click File Explorer and then right click this PC and the properties, then change settings, and the last one change and the domain. So I'm gonna show you how you can see the error message. So in this way, to join to the domain, you can see the error message. The one we just tried, you can't see it. There's no details. So, okay, you can see the details why it is not allowed you to join to the domain first. But I've already explained it's the DNS. So we open the network settings, Ethernet, change adapter options, properties, IPv4. Okay. Yep. So we put the server IP address as the DNS. Okay. Okay. After this setting, then we can try to join to the domain again. So share our log dot, I think, yeah, share our log should be fine. That's the domain name. Click OK. put the username and the password we created. Join.one. Okay, the password. Click OK. Yeah, it does take for a while. Okay, you can see the message. Okay, welcome to the domain, right? Great. Let's click OK. Okay, we have to restart the computer. That's fine. Close. Restart it now. Okay, I've already restarted. Yeah, you can see you can join to the domain. You have other users option. Click other users and put the username and the password. Yeah, that's the welcome page on the Windows. You set up your account. Yeah, cool. Okay. Yeah, you can see the username is the join one, and we're gonna try. Okay, we can check the connect to the work or school to see which domain we have joined here. Okay, cool. You can see you already joined to the domain.